All right, guys, made it out to the car. I'm prepping the important thing, our gag bag. Making soap on a rope over here, so that's going to be really interesting. First soap on the rope is done. I'm going to show you guys how to make eBay spec DIY soap on a rope. We went with a Dial, I don't know what it is, like just the clean white scent. So you get your soap, you get your drill, and you just kind of drill it through. This drill bit's a little too small, so I got. Ooh, might have made that a little too big, but we'll survive. You put your rope in. This rope is hilariously oversized, so good. Oh shit! You got the torch. All right, this torch is done. Get a clean end. Torch that bitch. Get it on camera. Torch it so your end's good. Just make the hole bigger. There we go. Dan would know all about making the hole bigger. You know, tie your knot. And then, I don't know, you want it to be a decent length so you could, you know, wash your whole body with it. And then you need a handle, so something like this. You know, just enough you can put your arm through it. And that's how you make a soap on a rope. Make sure to get tons of metal dust on it, so that, you know.
It's like microbeads.
Yeah, it's like pumice microbeads. It's good for you. So Alex is working on our fuel fill cap / vent valve cap. Or was that what it is? I mean, I guess that's right.
Super.
So so it has some weird shapes because that's where the vent tube goes. Fuel right in there, where we're gonna pin it shut so it doesn't fly open while we're racing. Because our fuel cell's right there. That's why everything is kind of stuffed up in the cowl. Andrew and Dan are working on bleeding the brakes because that needs to be done.
Everything bled anyway.
Our clock has now been mounted. Our big Flava Flav clock. Was the oil changed yet, or it still needs to be changed? Changed. Oil's changed. We got a lot of packing to do. That's where we are. All right, got the tow strap out of the way because it would be hanging pretty low otherwise. You can kind of end up dragging on the ground, which you don't want at all. Brakes are being worked on, and then I'm going to show you the modified rear as much as I can, but you can see the modified upper, and you can see that way crazy angle we got going on to change our roll center forward towards the center of the car, because, you know, it was a front wheel drive front. You know, this is all Accord, so that's the front of an Accord, so it was front wheel drive. All the geometries for front wheel drive, so the roll center was, you know, somewhere over here where the driver would be, or the passenger compartment, but we need it in between the two wheels, so should help fix some of our wonky handling. Look at that. Working on some decals. Put some Clastrol stickers down there. Got our NFG spark plug stickers. There were some old ones, but these are better design. They look nicer. Moved our Somewhat Racing further back. And then just another car number back here, 482. See the NFG over here. Somewhat. Don't tell anyone, but kind of ripped it. So Andrew's down there. You're working on electronics? He's dicking around. Dan went to go grab some food. Alex went to Starbucks right now. We're grinding away. Once we finish up here, once we finish up with the car, we're gonna head out to the bus and probably work on the bus until 2. Quick release steering wheel. There's the seat and everything. The lighting's like absolutely fucking us right now, but get an idea of what we're looking at. Got the pedals. Brakes are bled. Oh, the throttle's like fucking wonky. Dan messed with that. Nice shift knob. This is just like the stock Accord shifter. It's cable shift, and we have, can't really see it, goes on back to a grommet with a custom bracket to the trans, all our switches. Probably gonna have to wire up windshield wipers soon. And then our steering wheel and our clock. Sit rep. Working on adjusting our tie rods. Trying to work on our steering. We might have run out of tie rod adjustment, which isn't good. So, as Alex just said, I don't know if you could hear him. Might have to go find a race shop. Our tie rods are too short. So, I can't really show you. But we have like a aluminum style, like kind of dirt track tie rods. And they're too short. We don't have enough adjustment. So, our quick fix right now is, this is basically an adapter that lets us use this, our steering rack's a Saab steering rack. So it lets us use this Saab steering rack on our Mustang. So you can see where it mounts right there. That's the mounting through holes. So it's basically a full custom bar. So we're just gonna move, I'm gonna move one of the mounting points out on the tie rod and hope that works okay, and find a speed shop in case that doesn't work. But we got the adapter bar all re-drilled. We just re-drilled this one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. That one got re-drilled further out so that we can
That one.
so we don't have to have as long tie rods, which is good. We have 2 sets. We have a shorter set if we need it. 9 p.m. right now. Still going on the car. Still haven't figured out the steering. We think we have some solutions though. We're packing up now because we really got to get this stuff into the bus, and we really do got to get going because we got to hit the road by like 3 or 4 a.m. So we have 6 or 7 hours. Well, really, we're only going to be able to sleep on the bus. So 6-7 hours of sleep, if we even can sleep, because we have no idea how loud it's going to be and how crappy it's going to be. Have to be quiet because of the landlords, but I'll update you when we're at the bus and doing more stuff. All right, guys. It's 3:04 a.m. I'm the chase car. We're gonna go pick up the race car. Backing the bus out. I'm gonna follow, and we're gonna go get the car and all that good stuff. We're only about an hour and a half late. Later than we wanted to be. Oh, look at that. Beautiful beast. That's so sick. Sorry, I don't like driving while recording, but this is fucking awesome. I'm behind a bus that I've helped build. Like, we've all busted our asses on this thing, and it's just so cool seeing it go down the road. This is a pain in the ass, and I actually hate everything right now, and I'm exhausted, and I want to go to sleep, but this is so cool. It's about 4:50 in the morning now. Pretty much every single thing that could have gone wrong did go wrong. Had a fuel leak in the car that we needed to fix. We needed to clean up the fuel leak. Needed to move the car. Try not to wake up the landlord. But we were very, very loud. So she's in. And yeah, we're about 2.5 hours, almost 3 hours behind schedule. Some of us haven't slept in over 24 hours or near 24 hours. All right, so we are waiting for Alex to pick us up with the stuff. We're just, you know, sketchily walking down the street with the toolbox and stuff, and there's no Alex. What's that sound? Oh, listen to the spool, except you can't hear shit. Look at Matt. Matt looks so happy. Our savior.
All right, let's do this thing. Well, maybe Maybe Christmas isn't ruined after all.
Jesus, fucking warn me!
I'm not good with the brakes.
Oh my god.
It's either like not enough, too much.
Right. I've slept for about 20, maybe 30 minutes. We're at our first stop. It's still really early. I think it's like 6 something in the morning. Picking up our final members. It's, the bus is beeping at us for some fucking reason. Andrew looks dead. Matt looks like he's doing something important.